Hey everyone, welcome back. Looking for the best kitchen trash can to keep your kitchen cleaner, fresher, and more organized? In this video, I'm counting down the top 6 best kitchen trash cans that combine smart technology, stylish designs, and practical features. Whether you love cooking, smart home gadgets, or simply want a cleaner kitchen, this list has the perfect option for you. But before we get started, make sure to check the link in the description below if you want to know the latest price, discounts, and more product information. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring the notification bell so you never miss our latest top product reviews. Kitchen Product Insights.
Product number 1. Deluxe Mirage-T 50-liter or 13.2-gallon kitchen trash can. A premium choice for anyone looking for a sleek, fingerprint-resistant stainless steel trash can. I love how its modern brushed stainless steel finish blends perfectly into contemporary kitchens while staying remarkably clean thanks to its anti-fingerprint coating. Its motion sensor lid opens quickly and quietly, providing a completely hands-free experience that keeps cooking more hygienic. The spacious 50-liter capacity makes it ideal for busy families, home cooks, and anyone who generates a lot of daily kitchen waste. The soft-close lid operates smoothly, reducing noise and extending durability over years of use. The energy-efficient sensor system offers long battery life, while the removable inner liner makes replacing trash bags quick and simple. If you're searching for a stylish, reliable, and smart kitchen trash can with premium performance, this eco model is an outstanding investment. Product number 2. Ninestars 13-gallon odor neutralizing. Coming in at number 2 is the Ninestars 13-gallon odor-neutralizing kitchen trash can, an excellent option for keeping unpleasant smells under control. One of its biggest highlights is the built-in odor-neutralizing system that helps reduce kitchen odors, making your cooking area feel cleaner and fresher throughout the day. Its advanced infrared motion sensor provides touch-free lid operation, minimizing the spread of germs while cooking or cleaning. The fingerprint-resistant exterior keeps maintenance simple, and the durable construction is built for everyday household use. With a practical 13-gallon capacity, this trash can works well for medium to large families without taking up excessive floor space. The quiet lid mechanism adds convenience while preventing loud slamming noises. Whether you're preparing meals every day or simply want a cleaner kitchen environment, the Ninestars trash can delivers dependable performance, modern design, and excellent value for money. Product number 3. iTouchless 13-gallon sensor kitchen trash can. At number 3, we have the iTouchless 13-gallon sensor kitchen trash can, one of the most popular automatic trash cans available today. I appreciate its responsive motion sensor that opens the lid instantly with just a wave of your hand, making disposal effortless when your hands are full. This model also features an integrated odor filter system that helps trap unpleasant smells before they spread around your kitchen. Its sleek stainless steel body complements modern kitchens while resisting fingerprints and everyday wear. The large 13-gallon capacity is perfect for busy households, and the removable ring keeps trash bags securely hidden for a cleaner appearance. The soft closing lid enhances durability while operating quietly. Whether you're a technology enthusiast or simply want a more hygienic waste disposal solution, the iTouchless sensor trash can combines convenience, style, and smart functionality into one reliable package. Product number 4. Pull-out trash can under cabinet. Our 4th pick is the pull-out trash can under cabinet, a fantastic space-saving solution for kitchens where every inch matters. Instead of placing a trash can on the floor, this innovative design installs inside your cabinet, keeping waste hidden while maintaining a clean and uncluttered appearance. The heavy-duty sliding rails allow the bin to glide smoothly in and out with minimal effort. I especially like how it helps maximize kitchen organization while reducing visual clutter. It's an ideal option for modern kitchens, apartments, or anyone looking to improve storage efficiency. Installation is straightforward for most cabinets, and the sturdy frame ensures long-lasting durability, even with frequent use. By keeping garbage concealed, this pull-out system also helps reduce odors and creates a cleaner overall look. If organization and space efficiency are priorities, this under-cabinet trash can is definitely worth considering. Product number 5. Simply Magic 60-liter/16-gallon rectangular. Taking the fifth spot is the Simply Magic 60-liter/16-gallon rectangular kitchen trash can, designed for households needing extra waste capacity. Its generous 60-liter size makes it ideal for large families, meal preppers, and busy kitchens where frequent emptying isn't convenient. The rectangular design fits neatly against walls or cabinets while maximizing interior space. Its stainless steel construction delivers both durability and a modern appearance that complements nearly any kitchen decor. The lid operates smoothly with a sturdy foot pedal, providing hands-free convenience without requiring batteries. I also appreciate the fingerprint-resistant finish, which keeps the exterior looking clean despite daily use. The removable inner bucket simplifies bag changes and cleaning, making routine maintenance easy. If you're searching for a dependable, high-capacity kitchen trash can that balances affordability, durability, and practicality, the Simply Magic rectangular trash can is an excellent option.
Product number 6. HomeZone Living 19-gallon kitchen trash can. Finally, we have the HomeZone Living 19-gallon kitchen trash can, a large-capacity solution built for busy homes that produce significant daily waste. Its impressive 19-gallon capacity reduces the need for constant bag changes, making it especially useful for large families or frequent home cooks. The durable stainless steel body offers long-lasting performance while maintaining a clean, modern appearance. The step pedal mechanism provides convenient hands-free operation, helping reduce contact with germs during meal preparation. I also like its secure bag retention system, which keeps liners neatly hidden for a cleaner overall look. The soft close lid prevents loud slamming while adding a premium feel during everyday use. Whether you're upgrading your kitchen or replacing an older bin, the HomeZone Living trash can offers generous capacity, reliable performance, and stylish design that makes everyday waste management easier and more efficient. Thanks for watching my top 6 best kitchen trash can reviews. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more honest product reviews. Don't forget to ring the notification bell and check the links in the description for prices, deals, and additional information.